Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from Gemini to Revolut in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will get you transferring your Tron TRX tokens smoothly and securely. By 2025, crypto transfers have become even more user-friendly, but it's always good to double-check the process to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Gemini account with some TRX in it, and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency. Most do by now. If you haven't already, download the latest versions of both apps for the best experience. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Gemini app and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select TRX from your list of assets. Here, you'll see an option to withdraw or send funds. Click on that. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. For Revolut, go to your Revolut app, head to the crypto section, and find your TRX wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Gemini, paste the Revolut wallet address into the recipient field. Specify the amount of TRX you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, fees are generally low, but they can vary based on network congestion. Hit confirm, and you'll get a final verification screen. Make sure everything looks good before approving. After you send it, keep an eye on the transaction status in Gemini. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to see your TRX arrive. And there you have it. Your TRX is now in Revolut, ready for spending or holding. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. If you run into any issues, Gemini and Revolut have excellent support chats. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.